gonna go do all what I wanna do as soon as possible and get it done.
So this is our first trade of the week, guys. Let's see how it goes.
So guys, the time is 5:25. So guys, good morning. The time currently is 5:25 a.m. and today is Friday, guys. We haven't taken any trade for this week, and that's because since on Monday I've been on the go. I have not really been at home. I've been going to to and I'm still going to today. And we've had issues with our lights. They just brought the lights back yesterday. So this week has been very, very challenging when it comes to like trading wise. Do you get me? And I don't like first just because I want to trade and then eventually allow doing some mistakes here and there just because So yeah, I don't really want to talk too much about that. So let's do some analysis together right now because I'm also still going to Unilag. So let's do some analysis right now and let's see what's on the chart. So guys, this is gold. This is actually USD, and that's the only pair I trade for now. And if you come to the far, let's even start our analysis from the far time frame. So as you guys can see, I've marked out my zones. Yesterday when I did my analysis, I marked out my zones that I'm going to be looking out for. And so most of these zones are, we have a far zones at the support and resistance basically. And this zone span all the way. I don't know if you guys can see it. And so this one span all the way out here. As you can see, this is support zone that has pretty much been tested a lot of times, and as you can see, price broke this one and came back for a retest, and now prices are this trend line, and this trend line was drawn from all the way from the weekly time frame, right? Okay, this is the weekly time frame, as you guys can see, and to be honest here, I think that price is going to break this trend line, but who cares about what I think? The market doesn't care about what I think. Let's just react to what market is giving us, right? Because if you watch, you see that the markets are reacted to this zone before pushing down. Gold move from zone to zone. So as you can see, the market reacted to this zone before pushing down with this kind of weak rejections in the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, this is not just 5-minute time frame or 1 hour time frame. This is the weekly time frame. As you can see, price reacted to this zone. And if you guys watch, you see that we have a trend line right here, a trend line building up. A trend line building up right here, and if you guys watch, you see that okay, the US dollar has gained a lot of strength, right? And with Donald Trump coming in, right, there's a lot of sentiment that price is going to really, really go down, right? And through my own technical analysis right now, price is actually telling me that price is going to come from this zone to this zone, right? Price is going to come from this zone that price reacted to all the way to this zone, right, to this low right here. Right, that is what my analysis is telling me right now. And if you come to the monthly time frame, you see that in the monthly time frame, there's likely that we're going to be having a very, very aggressive pullback or a retest basically, because it has been a long time since price gave us a clean retest in the monthly time frame. So we should be expecting a very clean retest, and a clean retest in the monthly time frame is going to be a whole trend in all this lower time frame. Do you understand what I mean? So we should be expecting some massive sells, but for now we are a day trader, we're not like a swing trader, so we shouldn't really be bothered about that for now. And since my analysis is telling me that I should be expecting that price should get all the way here, get all the way to this low, right? So which means I should be looking for more of sales, riding price all the way. As you can see, price has broken this support, and we should be looking for sales, right? We should be looking for sales all the way to this low right here before we now see some confirmation that okay, maybe or maybe another build up of a bullish market or something like that. And as you can see, even in the far time, let's come back to the far time frame, we had a lot of aggressive selling power, right? So as you can see, price has reacted to this. So what I'm waiting for now is just for price to I'm looking for sales for now, because with all what I've said, I'm looking for sales, right? So I'm waiting for price to probably come back to, I think we also have a trend line here, but this trend line is going to be steep. Kind of have a trend line here, right? We have a trend line here also. That is if price doesn't want to come back all the way to this resistance, right? A support that has turned into a resistance right now. So price might just come back all to this zone right here. We have a zone here also. So if price come back here, I might be looking for an opportunity to sell. An opportunity to sell, and some people might be like, there's a trend line here. Why am I not also paying attention to the trend line? The way I trade basically is that if this trend line is going to hold, I'm not going to be seeing an opportunity. Do you get what I mean? If this trend line is going to hold, I'm not going to be seeing an opportunity. And the reason why I'm not also looking for an opportunity to buy, before I'm going to be looking for an opportunity to buy, I'm going to be waiting for something like this to happen. Break this trend line I just drew, break it out, and then something like this. You get what I mean? So like a build up of another structure. So that's when I'm going to be looking for buys. Do you get what I mean? So I hope you guys understand what I just drew out here. And time is running out, so I have to go and do some things and freshen up before I start hopping on the road. You get me? So today's Friday, and so that's why I want to go very very early. So yeah, that's my analysis for now. I just want to go do some things, pray, wear clothes, and because time is running out, it's almost 6 o'clock, and yeah, let's get on it. So today's Friday, so I'm just wearing this native right here. Great. So guys, I just got to the school now, and I'm gonna go do all what I wanna do as soon as possible and get it done. So guys, I'm currently waiting for the people I'm here to meet, the people I wanna submit my document to for screening. So they are not here yet. The time is currently it's 7:20. So it's currently early, so I have to wait for them to get here, and then when they get here, I'm just gonna do the necessary payments and then submit my documents and then start heading back home. You get what I mean? So let's see how it goes.
So guys, I'm currently waiting for this my zone to get broken right now. This zone that I just marked out to get broken, and then we're gonna be going in for sales right here. And my target is still way down, so it has met my criteria in terms of risk reward, in terms of everything, right? So, and yeah, this was the zone we analyzed before I came here. So let me come to the 1 hour time frame. This the 4 hour zone that we analyzed. As you can see, price got to that zone, is now coming back with a wick. As you can see, and there was also a trend line coupled with a trend line that we marked out, if you remember, from here and then all the way here. We join it right here. So as you can see, it has come back to that zone, and I'm gonna be waiting for the zone to get broken right now in the 5 minute time frame.
So guys, we're gonna be going in now if this candle closes with a full body candle below this line that I marked. You get me? So let's see how it goes. And my stop loss is gonna be above the candle that broke the zone. But let's see if it's even gonna break first.
Guys, we are currently in on this trade, and we're currently risking. I'm not able to calculate this, but I know that we're risking still in the range of our risks. So we have two positions that are 14, so that's about 30, and then another one position that is about, where's the last one again? There's one position I opened with 0.05, so that one should be within the range of, where is it? Okay, $80. So that's $38 thereabouts. Yeah, so we're still risking below $40. You get, so let me just set my TP. So So let me just set my take profit. So here, let me first set all the TPs at one place first before I set my TP1. So I'm still currently in the school right now, and I'm soon gonna be going back home. And the second position was the third position. Okay, and then this. So I'm gonna be taking TP1. Let me come back. Let me come to the 1 hour time frame. So my TP1, that will be ratio 2, $30 thereabouts. So my TP1 will be here, and then yeah, set and forget, guys. Set and forget. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So
So guys, I just got back right now and the time is currently 3:28 p.m. So I just decided let's hop onto the chat very very quick and see what happened on the chat. So let's hop in. So guys, as you can see, we took a loss. First of all, we took a loss. So now let me come to the 5 minute time frame. Let me show you where we took the trade. And so it was what we analyzed that later happened, but we took a loss. Sometimes everything is gonna go well. This trade is one of my I won't really say A plus. Like I won't really say my golden setup, but it's A plus setup, right? It's not a golden setup because we have a reason that price is gonna reverse also because the trend line I drew, you get what I mean? So at the end of the day, like I always say, you have to make a decision. You have to go one way. There's always gonna be reason to buy and reason to sell. You get what I mean? So you just have to pick a decision. The decision that best suits your own strategy, right? So the reason why I said it's not my one of my golden setup is because as you can see, there was a trend line, there was a weekly trend line opposing our reason for selling, right? You get me? So that was why I said it's not really a golden setup. So this was where we took the sell right here at the close of this candle right here was where we took the sell, and then my stop loss was just right above this guy right here, and I was targeting our 104 just at this low right here, just at this low right here. So, and as you can see, price took us out, right? Price took us out. Price just came to the rubber and then took us out. And for me, this trade was actually a very, very good loss. Everything was managed, my risk management, everything. And yeah, so for this week, we actually had a missed trade whereby it was meant to be a win. But at the end of the day, all these kind of things, I don't really think about them again because sometimes you're gonna miss a trade whereby the trade was a loss, and sometimes you're gonna miss a trade whereby it was a win. Right? The only thing you should just be focused on is what are you doing when you're winning and what are you doing when you're losing. So let's come back to the weekly time frame. Let me show you the trend line I'm talking about. So there was a trend line, as you can see, this was the trend line, this was the weekly trend line opposing our reason for selling. So price reacted to the trend line, right? Price reacted to that trend line, as you can see, first touch, second touch. It won't come all the way here, right? So my analysis was that price was going to get all the way here. My main analysis was that price should get, what's this? That price should get all the way to this zone. That price should keep selling all the way to this low right here, right? But unfortunately, price reacted to this trend line and decided to move up, right? So that's why I'm going to say that. So because of this trend, and that's why I'm going to say that it's not really a golden setup. Now let's say there was no trend line here, right? The probability is going to even be more higher because this is a weekly trend line, not just 1 hour trend line or something like that. This is a weekly trend line. So yeah, guys, that was that for this week, and I also want you guys to know that we just hit 1,300 subscribers. All thanks to you guys. You guys are the real MVP. Those who have been with us since quarter 1, quarter 2, and probably quarter 3, or how they don't even call it. So for all those who are subscribed, who have watched our content, who have liked, I really do appreciate. And like I said, we're gonna be taking a 2 weeks break next week and the first week of January, right? So those are gonna be the 2 weeks we're gonna be taking break trading this prop farm. And of course, I'm gonna be putting a P&L of this week. We took only one trade and it was a loss. I'm gonna put in the P&L here. And of course, we are surely gonna come back next year and do our thing in peace, in health, and in strength. And for those who haven't subscribed, please help me smash that subscribe button and turn on post notification to get notified whenever I release a new video. So guys, peace out.